I'm going to show you guys how to turn down a boss on a part on the lathe here in the ASU EMAC. I've already taken a couple passes on this just so I can better keep track of this while I'm filming. This can be a little stressful and it requires a lot of things that you got to pay attention to. So now I'm going to set up my cut. I started at 0.5 and I've already taken 2 passes. Since we're moving in the diameter of our part, I can take 60 thousandths off. My end diameter is 0.31. I started at 0.38, so now I'm going to go to 0.32, and that gives me a little bit of room for a finish pass. Remember, I've already faced this thing, and I've set the DRO so that when the tool is at the very front of the part, it reads 0 in the Z-axis. This allows me to keep really good track of the depth of my boss. However, you should always keep track with a pair of calipers just to double check to make sure that everything's telling you the truth. So now I'm going to position this tool fairly close, turn the lathe on. To engage in the Z-axis on the auto feed, I'm going to push in on the lever and pull up. Ready with coolant? Once I get close to where I need to be, I'm going to be ready with my hand on the auto feed lever. And remember, I'm going to stop just shy of where I wanted to be. Now I'm going to feed manually in to that 0.85 that I said I wanted to be at. And I'm going to exit the cut. This is not my final cut, otherwise I would have exited in the X direction. Since this is my second to last cut, I need to make a final measurement using a pair of calipers on the diameter and update the DRO. I'll show you guys how to do that in a separate video.